Hey everyone, today we talk about the Theta and the Bitcoin Dowjones, the sideways waiting the CPI meeting this week. So as I told you that in the 30 June you can find in here, I told you that the market is still gonna be sideways or maybe going downtrend because you know the inflation is high and also the interest rate is high, and you know about the CPI meeting that gonna be conducted on the Wednesday. In here you can find in the investing.com, you find in here there is the schedule about the CPI year on year, month on month, and you're gonna find the volatile market because we have the three stars in here. Okay, and since I upload the video 30 June, the market is crash. You can find here is the update that about the Theta Bitcoin. I told you in here we have the strong resistance. It's already 1, 2, and 3, 4 times. And in here it's going downtrend. Now maybe we can see a small pump, like you maybe hit this one before we are going downtrend again. It's still the possibility. But if you are betting now, it's like just like the 50% chance it's going up or 50 chance it's going down because we are still in the middle. If you are in here, we are 70% downtrend, but in here we have 50-50. That's why I'm still waiting, I'm still not entering, and we are everybody is waiting the CPI meeting happening in here. And you can find, as I told you, the data. The people who say we are back to bulls in here, they are a bit crazy. Why? Because you can find, look, in here you have the exponential moving average 8 week. Every time we hit this one, we are going downtrend. Hit this one, we are going downtrend. We ever bull in here in the March because the Luna is pumping. But after hit this one, you are still in the exponential moving average 21. Okay, therefore, even if the price is still going up and maybe hit to this one, so maybe around 1.6, there is possibility that the theta is going up. Why? Because as I told you, maybe the price can still going up after the CPI meeting in here. That's the possibility, but it's the 50-50 chance. And even the price is going up, look in here, it's like this one, it's also like this one. Or if we cannot hold, so maybe we just going downtrend, it's still possible. Why? Because in here you have the 0.7, remember you have 0.7, and there is no much change since I told you in the 30 June in here, right? 30 June in here, there is no different. And the next is uh, oh sorry, you
The
can
theta is possibility creating the
okay in here, look, this is 30 June in here, yeah, if you cannot see previously. Okay, and the next is about the Bitcoin divided by US 100, or you can call it Dow Jones. In the last video in here you can find that I told you that I'm still waiting the Dow Jones crash back to the 28k before it's pumping and going down again before we are back to the 25k. It's for the Dow Jones, but whenever the Dow Jones is hit this one, so whatever the price about the Bitcoin you can buy. And if you find the Bitcoin divided by the US 100, you can find the interesting line. Look, if you draw from this one to this one, we ever break in here. Also, we ever have the strong resistance that after that we become the strong support in here. Now you have the like the descending line. You have 3 times in here, 1, 2, and the 3 times. Now the fourth time. Therefore, it's maybe you can going up just to retest like this one. There is possibility, or maybe it's going down and going up. Therefore, what I'm certain that maybe we gonna hit this one somewhere maybe in the August, because look, after hit this one, maybe we can going up or creating the dead cat bunch. Oh sorry, like this one, dead cat bunch before we are going downtrend again. Okay, because this is the area watch list to see. And if it's still possible that the Dow Jones is going downtrend, but the Bitcoin just going sideways because we have the strong support in here for the Bitcoin. But if we cannot hold this line that previously as the support, So the next target, okay, you can draw like this one. Okay, wait a minute. You need to use the Fibonacci log. Okay, so in here you have the 0.5. So this support from the bottom you have 0.5 and it is strong, but if we cannot hold the line, the next harmonic Fibonacci is the 0.6, so around this level. So this level gonna be the next support, and you can find like this support. Okay, this is the important key you need to watch. And the last is about the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones, remember, the Bitcoin, whatever, the Dow Jones is the key. And the last about the Bitcoin. So the Bitcoin divided by USD. Okay, you can let's draw again. First, you can draw from this one to this one, and the second you draw from the this one to this one. Okay, look, from this wait a minute. Okay, so from bottom in here to up in here, or from this down going to up to this one, so you can find that in here. So this price, maybe you can the price can going up like, wait a minute, okay, like this one. So it's the low, this is the higher high, this is the higher low. So it's can going up like this one, creating the higher high. There is still possibility because 0.5 is the very strong support, and in here also 0.5 is a strong support, but the next target is around either this one or maybe this one. Okay, and that's the plan. And but yeah, there is a 50-50 chance if the market cannot hold the support because the CPI is a very bad, so you cannot see this bull run, and maybe we just going downtrend. So like in here, the Dow Jones is just going downtrend, and the Bitcoin USD just you creating the here, so creating the lower low. Okay, I think that's for today. And remember, the key is about the next meeting, what happening in the Wednesday. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give your thumb like button. Thank you.